I starting में आपने एक बात बोली थी which is still reflecting here as well is कि जितना है उससे ज़्यादा ही बड़ा घर लो, उससे ज़्यादा ही खर्चे लो. ये why do you have this mindset? Why?
Because Dad always said it. कि यार खर्चा करने सीखो तब कमाने सीखोगे, वरना नहीं यार. अदरवाइज यूल बी, हाँ ठीक है इतना आ गया, अच्छा इतना आ गया, इतने बैंक में डालोगे, इतना इंटरेस्ट आ जाएगा, खुश लाइफ है. लाइफ खुश रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है, लेकिन आप टाइम मैनेज वो सही करो ना. मेहनत मुझे आज भी मैं, if it's 9 o'clock shift, I'll be there 9 o'clock ready. To this day, 6 o'clock rap means I go home. You ask me to work till 9, I'll be very unhappy. Because then now, I'll miss dinner with Mana at 6:30. I'll miss my granddaughter. She'll go off to sleep. Tia will then also not be there with me. Ahan will come and Ahan will, whether he'll be home or he'll be out. All these things matter to me. So I have been very clear about all that. And Dad has also always told me, and Mom has also told me, इतना ही काम करना ज़रूरी है. But put in your best. और situation ऐसे create करो कि, and it's worked for me, कि hand to mouth है यार, अभी I need money. But I want this also, And it's not, see, for me, a car doesn't mean I can afford it, so I want a Rolls Royce or I want a XYZ. I need a great mode of transport that suits my personality. And that is what it is. But I need it. But I needed it then also. And the need is the same today because that's my need. It's not my greed. So very, very, very clear about certain things.
But when people hear this, उनको ऐसा लगता है कि अगर हम हमारी मीन से ज़्यादा in simple Indian words is like मेरी हैसियत से ज़्यादा अगर मैं कुछ बड़ा ले लेता हूँ, घर ले लेता हूँ, तो फिर वो 10, 20, 30 साल की जो EMI होती है ना, वो एंजाइटी देती है लोगों को जस्ट सोच के ही.
नहीं, मैं आपकी हैसियत आपके पैसे के हिसाब से नहीं करना, आपकी काम करने की क्षमता की बात कर रहा हूँ. आपको कितनी कॉन्फिडेंस है अपने आप में कि क्या आप सैलरी पे ही रहोगे हमेशा? क्योंकि मेरा मानना है सैलरी एक ड्रग है जो मालिक देता है कि आप ये खाते रहो और वहीं पड़े रहो. Go beyond, work harder. And when you start working, for your example, I've seen you grow as, I would say, a child, a newcomer into this, to a time today when, even if it's a validation for one of the most loved sports in the country, you are being used. You've done the ad recently. Why? क्योंकि आपको आप में वो क्षमता दिखी. आप पॉडकास्ट नहीं करते, आप रिसर्च करते हो. You talk sense. And when you talk sense and when you believe in yourself and you believe that there's a lot more to me, I'm sure your team is continuously saying, what is it new that we can do to break this? Because even this will stagnate in some time. Podcasts will become, okay, what next? I'm saying have faith in yourself. That's the faith I had in myself. ये नहीं तो पिक्चर नहीं तो ठीक है यार, रियल एस्टेट में कर लूँगा. क्लोथिंग इंडस्ट्री 18 साल की उम्र में आई वाज रनिंग अ ब्रांड दैट वाज नोन वर्ल्ड ओवर यार. न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स में राइट अप मिला था. वो छोड़ के मैं फिल्मों में गया, तब जाके वो गिरा. अगर मैं आज भी संभालता तो probably that has given birth to some of the biggest brands in India. They are multi-billion-dollar homes, and every sample that I put out was taken, copied, and sold. And they told us that we're taking it to duplicate. For me, it was sale. For an 18-year-old boy, how did it matter? I said, "ठीक है यार, ले लो. We'll produce more." We had more ideas. That's not my business. Clothes was never my business. लेकिन I made it my business क्योंकि taste था. तो टेस्ट था तो मुझे लगा कि यार अच्छे कपड़े पहन सकते हो तो बेच भी सकते हो.
True.
And I sold only what I liked. I didn't... Mischief, yeah. But not for anybody else. I believe that they will like this. Let's do the revolution. So the veggies grow right. There's nothing on it. So it's us. It's you who are making that difference.
Yeah.
A lot of people had started podcasts and stuff like that. But then what's happened? You've seen them go because 1,000 more want to become that Raj. But how do you
Keep innovating and just keep believing in yourself.
Absolutely. And it's complete belief in your and honesty. When you're clean from here, na, you're fearless. You're fearless.
थैंक यू सो मच ये वीडियो एंड तक देखने के लिए। और ऐसे ही इन्फॉर्मेशनल एंड एजुकेशनल क्लिप्स के लिए राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए।